Tnad Education ke Sorkar Jelah ke Arpratrik Naiwing ke Iasoi ke Memorandum of Understanding MoU bat ke National Stock Exchange NSE ha ke jindon lang Menteri rang ba ke Jelah ukondrat ke sangma Menteri ke Tnad Pule Puthi urakam sangma u Chief Secretary ba DP Walang lembat ki officer ke Tnad Pule Puthi bat NSE. Ya kini ka MoU Iasoi da ke jing temu ban aji hikai syaki samla Pule College ke Jelah. Halor ke benta ke bayade bat ke banking, insurance bat kiwei. U menteri rang ba ha ke jingkren ula ong ba ke jing nang jing tip bat ke jing tebet ha ke liang ki kam pisa tingka kadai ke ba ki nong seng kam bat ki samla Pule ke Jelah kedang dona shibun. Ula ong ru ba ke jing aji hikai ling ba ke NSE halor ke ni ke benta kan yarap shibun ban lak ban shim ya kirai ha ke linti ke badai ha ke liang ke kam pisa tingka bat kan yarap ru ban pelat na ke jing du nong bat ban yo ya kalawe ke pasngan da ke linti ke jing shempang bat ke jing shimrai ke pastan.
Are we supposed to exchange it? Yes, I think so. There is next to me.
We give them certificates. Now we are doing level 2. Once they finish level 2, they'll actually become really aware of how to do things. Many of them may become entrepreneurs. They may become brokers or independent financial advisors or mutual fund distributors. I mean, there are many careers that can actually be pursued. And they can do things on their own. They don't need to join an organization necessarily. Although that will also be highly possible, easily possible, because the industry needs new people. Correct. And those who are aware of how things work. So we think by building awareness, we will be able to make a difference in many states of the country. Particularly, we wanted to make a beginning in the northeast, and we chose Meghalaya as one of the first places to begin. And we will, Ashish Ji, our MD and CEO, is closely associated with the IIM